Hello guys, this is Rahul Lodhi. Welcome to your favorite channel. As we have seen my previous video, we have inserted record in database. So now today we will see how to view record in a table view in our page from database. So now we will see how to get record from database and so in a table. So as we have discussed all the methods of our controller like index to use for view record. So here we will return a view where we have to show a record. Like here we will create a blade file school list school. Okay, and now we will create this list school blade file. So here we will just copy F2 and we will rename this list school dot blade file. Okay guys, so now we will call this so here you can see this add form because we have copied the add form. Now we will open this list school file and we will remove this add form. Okay, and here we will create a table. Table class is equal to table script and table responsive. Okay, table. So what we have to show in this table? So there are three columns here: name, mobile number and address. So we will show this here. So firstly we will create here head and inside this we will create a tr. Okay, and here we will create three columns: name, mobile number and address. Number and address. Okay, these are the all labels of table. Now we will show our record here. Suppose my name is Rahul and mobile number is and address is Panagar, Jabalpur. Okay, now we will see this. So here you can see this guys, we have a labels and we have a record. So these are static record. Now we have to do this dynamic. So we have to access this data from database. So for that we will go to our index function and here we will call $list is equal to so we will use here to call list or model. Okay, and we have to get all records, so we will use all function and we will pass this list to a view. So here we will use compact and we will pass list variable here. Here you can see this $list and here you will see without $list. So we have to use same variable without dollar inside compact function. Okay, now we will get this inside our blade file. Which blade file? List school. So we will go to list school, and here we will print our variable at the PHP enter list. Okay, so here you can see this, we have got the record. Now we will show this record in our table. So for that we will here write @if count of $list is greater than 0, so we will call here for each function $list as $value the rate and for each. Okay, inside this we will paste or tr. Okay, now we will dynamic on name. So here you can see this, we are getting name with name inside name variable. Okay, so here we will write $value name. Okay, like this we will change all these values, mobile number and address. Okay, so here you can see this, guys, we have a one record. Okay, now inside we don't have linked or add form or list form. So firstly we will link or add form or list form inside the bar. So here we have to write route function and your controller name, your route name and dot create. Okay, and for list we will write here list index. Is create form, add form. Okay, now we will do one another entry like Azad Patel 999 address Jabalpur. Okay, submit. Okay guys, so here you can see this, we have got two records and this record we have just inserted. Now we will do some changes on our controller. As you can see this, guys, we have created record but it's not direct in list page. So for that we will redirect our so for that we will redirect from here. So we will use redirect function. Inside this, write route dot index school dot index, and if you want to send some message, so you will use with and one variable success and another variable your message, your record saved successfully. And if you want to get this message and to show in list form, so you have to write here in part of the table @if $message is equal to session get your variable name success. Okay, if you will get this, so that will print inside this the class is equal to alert success लिखो here $message. Okay, then you will write Swapna Patel, Y number 787878, address Jabalpur, submit. School.index. Sorry, here is some error. We will see this. What is the error? So we will see this. What is the error? So we will go to our index store function, and here we have to use only school. So if you write this school only, so here you can see this, we have got the message, your record saved successfully, and we have get one more record, Swapna Patel, his mobile number and our address. Okay, like this you can add multiple record and list here multiple record. Like here we will write some name, test Dev, address, test address. Okay, so here you can see this. Okay guys, now if you want to edit this record and delete this record, so we will create here action and two more buttons, edit and delete buttons. So we will do this functionality in next video. Please continue with us for learn, edit and delete. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.